Nobody told you this. Light a potato chip and see the incredible result. To start, gather a small pile of potato chips. You don't need a specific type. Any greasy variety will work perfectly. Potato chips are a great option because they contain a good amount of oil, making them easily flammable. Plus, they're usually accessible since most of us have a bag of chips handy when we go camping or on outings. So if you ever find yourself without kindling or fire starters, this trick could save the day. Let us know in the comments where you're watching from. Today's shout-out goes to Amelia from Ohio. Thank you for being part of this community and watching every video. Once you've gathered the chips, place them at the base of your fire pit or just underneath a pile of dry sticks and wood chips. Make sure the chips are well surrounded by these small pieces of wood, as this will help the fire spread more efficiently. Now, simply light the potato chips with a match or lighter. The wood chips will act as a bridge between the initial flame from the chips and the larger logs. What's amazing is that they will ignite quickly and maintain a steady flame thanks to the oil they contain. This continuous combustion will generate enough heat to ignite the wood chips and, eventually, the larger logs. This trick is not only fun, but can also be a lifesaver when you're camping and realize you forgot your usual fire-starting materials.